Okay, so the next doubt posted here is a solid cylinder is rolling up without sliding. That's the important one. This is pure rolling without slipping, sliding on a rough inclined plane. The frictional force acting on it. You see, if you have watched the previous doubt, it was also similar to this. The idea is you have a anything cylinder doesn't make it. You have something rolling up. Okay, we know that as it rolls up because of gravity, its speed decreases. V decreases. That's given. If there is no other force acting, I'm going to assume it's moving only up. There is, you don't apply any other force. So gravity is acting on it, pulling it down. So what are the forces normally acting on it? So there is mg sine theta in this direction. I mean, these things should be clear with. So here you have mg sine theta. Here you have mg cos theta. Here you have normal. Okay, and the object is moving up. Velocity is up. I'm not saying acceleration. Acceleration depends on the force. So these are the forces. Let's say there is no friction. I don't know about friction as of now because that's what I'm supposed to find. F net is equal to ma. Now, even if there is no friction, this mg sin theta will be acting, which is against the velocity. So what will happen? It will retard the object. Okay, F net is downwards. Minus mg sin theta is equal to ma. Acceleration is negative. So velocity goes down. And without sliding means the relationship is, we know v is equal to r omega. R is this radius rotating here. So this should always be true. So initially it has some, it is rolling up and it's rolling like this, right? That's how it rolls up, like a wheel. So v equal to r omega must always be true. Now, if v is decreasing, to compensate for that, omega should also decrease because r is constant. This should always be true. That's the meaning of without slipping. So if omega is decreasing, that tells me the angular acceleration is also negative. Are you okay with this? So which means the angular acceleration should be acting like this. Do you understand? V decreases, omega should decrease. Omega decreases means if velocity is decreasing, acceleration is opposite to velocity. Likewise, angular velocity opposite, you should have angular acceleration. So we know that tau is equal to I alpha. So alpha direction we have figured out, that's the direction of tau. So tau is torque. And again, for all of this, you need to know whenever you have an inclined plane, the torque can be provided only by friction, because torque is about the center of mass we are calculating, and torque due to this mg sin theta cos theta normal will always be zero because they'll be passing through the center of mass. Okay, so the torque can be only provided by friction. Torque due to friction, all other frictions are zero. R of sin theta, R is zero, theta is zero, so they just cancel off. Equal to I alpha. So the torque due to is in the direction of alpha. So this will be like this. So this is the direction of friction. So you understand it's going up, but friction is slowly slowing it down. This torque is acting like this, slowing down the omega. That's why as the object moves up, its speed decreases, both the angular speed decreases, and eventually when it reaches the top, everything is zero. V is zero, omega is zero. V is zero because of this negative force. Omega is zero because of this negative acceleration, negative angular acceleration, or you can say torque. So whenever you have rolling on an inclined plane, the torque can be provided only by friction, normal case. Okay, and so the answer is it's friction is upwards. Okay, upward along the plane. And as an additional answer, you see, even when it rolls down, you can use the same logic when it's rolling down. So let's say it's a frictional surface, sufficient friction is there. It is rolling down, so which means velocity is here. Now you see velocity will increase because mg sin theta is in the downward direction. So same logic. Understand the procedure. V equal to r omega. V is increasing, omega is increasing. Omega should increase means alpha should be in the same direction. Now it is rolling down. So this is omega. So omega should increase means alpha should be in the same direction. Alpha same direction, which means you see the friction should be in the same direction. Can you understand? So it doesn't matter whether it moves up or moves down, the friction will be in the same direction. Understand the logic. Okay, so see if you are understanding that. If you have any doubts, inform me in the Telegram channel. The new students, the Telegram channel link in the description, you can join. And if you have any other doubts, let me know. Okay, watch the playlist 11th to understand this better. So keep practicing. See you.